In today's video we are going to discuss the packing in solid state. Okay, packing in solid means how do you make the solid. Okay, कैसे किसी का स्ट्रक्चर हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं, कैसे ये सॉलिड प्रिपेयर होता है, कैसे कोई भी सॉलिड का स्ट्रक्चर जनरेट होता है if we do have to manufacture the solid or in some other cases. So just look for the कैसे बनाएंगे हम लोग सॉलिड. यहाँ पे अपने पास तीन कंडीशन आएगा सॉलिड बनाने के लिए. एक क्या रहेगा, वन डायमेंशन पैकिंग. सेकेंड क्या रहेगा, टू डायमेंशन पैकिंग. थर्ड क्या है फिर अपना थ्री डायमेंशन पैकिंग. ओके, इट इज़ एज सिंपल एज इनिशियल वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू दैट कि अगर अपने को कोई सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करना है, सपोज अपने को होम बनाना है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग किससे करते हैं, एक ब्रिक लेते हैं, उस ब्रिक को दूसरी ब्रिक से जोड़ते हैं और उन दोनों के बीच में मोर्टार फिल करते हैं. देन पहले क्या होता है, एक ब्रिक आता है, फिर एक ब्रिक के बाद वॉल जो है वो हमारा हाइट में इंक्रीज होता है, थिकनेस 3D शेप जनरेट होता है, एंड फाइनली क्या मिल जाता है अपने को, हाउस मिल जाता है. एज सिंपल केस हम लोग सॉलिड बनाएंगे. सो एज इन केस ऑफ वन डायमेंशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो जब वन डायमेंशन पैकिंग आएगा, simplest form, in case of one dimension packing, one dimension means we have to move on in a single direction. Okay, in case of one dimension packing हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एटम लेंगे, कोई भी एटम है, हाइपोथेटिकल assumption ले रहे हैं, एक्चुअल एटम यहाँ पे अलग हो सकता है, उसका बॉन्डिंग अलग हो सकता है, वेरिएशन पॉसिबल है, बट इन दिस केस वी आर एज्यूमिंग द स्फेरिकल एटम. सो वन एटम लेंगे. एज यूजुअल आई टोल्ड यू कि अगर हम एक ब्रिक लेते हैं तो दूसरी ब्रिक के बराबर में इसको पुट करेंगे तो अपना वॉल प्रिपेयर होगा. एज सिंपल, जब हम सॉलिड का स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे तो यहाँ पे एक एटम को दूसरे एटम के एडजेसेंट में प्लेस करेंगे. राइट, एक एटम, इसके बराबर में अगला एटम, एंड दिस इज इन द कंटिन्यूएशन. ऐसे हम एक एटम को दूसरे एटम के बराबर में ज्वाइन करते चले जाते हैं. यू कैन टेक टेनिस बॉल एंड प्लेस नेक्स्ट बॉल टू द one ball, then second ball, third ball, fourth ball, fifth ball, sixth ball. So this type of the packing will considered as one dimension packing. This is the center of atom, and we are placing atom adjacent to the next one in a straight line. That is why it is termed as one dimension packing. Now if it is a one dimension packing, all atoms are similar and exactly in a same location. That is why it is considered as triple A type packing. We also say it is one dimension packing or it is a triple A type packing. Okay, the next important point here it is coordination number, that is CN number. What it is? The coordination number in solid state denote the number of atoms which are in touch to each other. Now consider this atom. Okay, this atom is touching this atom also as well as this atom also. So one atom is in touch with two atom. So one dimension packing will have the coordination number 2. The coordination number it is very simple. Okay, just look for the how many atoms are touching to each other. The number of atoms which are in touch to each other is equal to the coordination number. Okay, so in one dimension packing the coordination number will be 2. What we have to write, CBSE won't ask you what is the one dimension packing. They usually ask what is the coordination number in one dimension packing, what is the coordination number in two dimension packing, and so on. So in case of one dimension packing you have to place the atom to the adjacent to each other in a single straight line. The packing will be triple A type and the coordination number will be 2. This is for the one dimension packing. Now move for the two dimension packing. In case of two dimension packing, we will take the one dimension packing first. Okay, this is our one dimension packing. Now we will have two way for the formation of second layer. In case 1, if we place the second layer, it is as simple. If we have constructed a wall, so first layer was like this. Now we have to increase in the height. So if we have to increase in the height, the second layer, in case of second layer, if we place the brick exactly above the brick of the first, if we place the second layer exactly above the first layer, the green color for the second layer. Now we will again repeat first layer, and this is in the continuation process. Also the second way is that instead of doing this one, we place the second atom in the gap of the first, like this. We are placing the atom in the depression of the first layer. The case this. Okay, so it is obvious all the layer are exactly same to each other. So this will again will be AA type in 2-dimension packing. The one atom at the center is touching this atom, this atom, this atom as well as this atom. If we join the center of all these 4 atoms, then the coordination number will be here 4, and we are forming the square. So we also called it square close packing. What we say, this is square close packing or SCP. Okay, so the intermolecular space so generated in this packing is termed as void. Okay, the intermolecular space between solid is called void. So if we place the second layer, this is our the first layer, then second layer, then third layer. So if we place the second layer exactly above the center of first layer, then all the layer will be exactly same to each other. In this case the packing will be AAA type or square close type. Why square close type? Because the center forming the square with the surrounding atom, and so its coordination number will be 4. This is for when we place the we take 1-dimension layer and we place the second layer exactly above the center of the first layer. Now move to the second case. What we have done here, if we assume this is our first layer, in second case we place the second layer in the depression of first layer, and third layer, then the depression of third layer is in the depression, then the third layer is in the depression of first layer. What we have done, we have taken the first layer, this second layer in the depression of first layer, third layer in the depression of second layer. Obviously it is quite clear here, the void in this case is very less than as compared to this one. This is your void and this is very less as compared to this one. Now what for the coordination number? If we assume this atom, okay, so this atom is touching this atom, this atom, this atom, this atom, this and this. If we draw the shape, we are getting hexagonal, and so we will say that this is the hexagonal close packing or it is SCP. So coordination number in this case will be 6, and the first layer, second layer and third layer, if we say that this is layer A, so the second layer is different from the first layer. How different? It is not over the center of the first layer, so we will say that it is the difference from the first layer. If the center of this layer and this layer matching each other as it is in the same line, then we say that all the layer are same. But if the center of the second layer is not exactly above the first layer, then we will say that this layer is different. All time when the center of layer is to the in the row with the any layer, then this layer will be the same. If the center of the layer is not in the row of the anyone, then it is a different. So the center of this layer will be this and this layer will be this. So they are not aligned to each other, then we will say that the B layer is different from the A layer. Now go for the C layer. The center of C layer is exactly above the center of A layer. So we will say that this is again A layer. It is 1, 2, 3 layer, but the third layer is similar to the first layer. So we will say that this is AB, AB, AB type packing. Okay, so two dimension packing is of two type. One is for the when we place the second layer over the center of first layer and we will get square close packing, or when we place the second layer over the depression of the second layer, then we will get hexagonal close packing, which is most efficient packing, obviously which have less number of void. So hexagonal close packing is the most efficient way of packing because it have less number of void. Do remember, or simply we can say that कि इसका तो आप रट्टे मार लीजिए कि टू डायमेंशन स्क्वायर पैकिंग में कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना होगा 4 एंड हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग में कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना होगा 6. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. In the third video we will cover the in the next video we will cover 3-dimension close packing, and for the 3-dimension close packing we will again consider the third layer from this and this. So there will be multiple type of the packing and we will generate the full structure of the solid.